So we're going to explain the difference between this chunk of code and this bottom chunk of code. Okay, so they both start by importing the math module, which is a module is basically a group of variables, functions, so you don't have to you can just call them whenever you need. So this is really helpful when you can reuse your code, and this is so much more convenient. So imported the math module here, and I've also done that on the second chunk. Okay, so here we're running it twice, and here we're running it 4 times. Why? Because we have a variable equal to this input, and we have once again a variable equal to this input. If we even had this would still be incorrect. But we have 4 here. And right now we have this input that we wanted to make to equal to this. So what we could do is we could put this, oops. Okay, this is unnecessary because we want 2 values to find the greatest common denominator, greatest common factor for both of them. So we delete that. And we have this repetition again, so we delete that. This is converting into a string. We don't need that. We just want it to be an integer so we can perform operations on it. And then we say enter, oops, we have to make this a string, enter another number. Okay. And we have this being operated on. We have the answer, and we notice that the answer is in string. So this is going to print out answer. This is not going to print out the value of this. So we erase that, and we also erase this other mark, and now we have what we need. And let's test it out. It's the same thing. Going to delete this. Let's run this. Enter a number. Let's do 12 and 6. The greatest common factor between both of them is 6. Now we have our little project finished. Thank you for watching.